If you feel miserable right now, it's not because your life is falling apart. It's because your mind is trying to control what it can't. Here's the truth most people never hear. Misery isn't pain. It's resistance to reality. Two people can live the same moment. One suffers, the other grows. The difference is not the situation. It's the story the mind is telling about it. Your brain was designed to predict, control, and protect you. But when it can't control something, it creates tension, fear, and suffering. So instead of asking, how do I feel better? Ask a better question. What am I refusing to accept right now? Because the moment you stop arguing with reality, something shifts. The pressure drops. The mind quiets. And clarity comes back online. You don't need a new life to feel better. You need a new relationship with what is. That's where your power is.